Big Eyes. It's a hot cryptocurrency right now. It's a meme coin. If you're in the meme coin space, you probably know about Big Eyes already because they've claimed, or they have, or they might have raised $35 million in their pre-sale, which is pretty outrageous. It's one of the largest market capitals or hard cap launches we're going to see in the meme coin space right now. So let's talk about a little bit of a price prediction in terms of what it can do in ROI as a percentage. I don't know exactly what the hard cap launch will be for this coin, but we can do a bit of research to help us gauge what will happen. Of course, they've got a ton of hype right now. The community is thriving, which is really good news for this coin. But just looking really at the meme coin market right now, you hit that 24-hour button, it's a mania. We are in a meme coin mania, which is great. The timing is perfect. It means that we've got a lot of bullish sentiment for meme coins, and loads of investors are turning their heads towards low market caps, especially with the success of Pepe coin. They're looking for the next Pepe pump. But we can see, just looking really at the market cap right now, what I actually identify is we've got Dogecoin, okay, Elon Musk, massive influence. Shiba Inu, influenced by mainly Ethereum whales that have massive amounts of disposable income. But we kind of see this wall of resistance around the $300 million mark, where we have Baby Dogecoin, Floki at 300, Bone Shiba Swap at 200 million. And that tells me that there's a larger wall of resistance. A lot of meme coins get to that 200 to 300 million wall, and then they start dropping. So they launch at around $10 to $30 million. They get to 200 to $300 million, then they start descending after their hype and after most of the whales have sold off. We saw this with Tamadoge, which is a coin we looked at back in September 2022. This did a 20x, right? Launched around $10 million. Hard cap market capital went to 200 million. Then it started seeing a downtrend from then onwards. So it hit that crucial level. So what that tells me, if Big Eyes, you know, if this coin here, which potentially has a lot of big things coming for it, you know, if it launches around 40-50 million, then are we looking at around 700 to 800% maximum ROI for this particular coin? That would be, in my opinion, the max, the ceiling, 7 to 8x for this coin if it released around, you know, a $40 to $45 million market capital. That's what I'm kind of speculating at the moment. But let's have a look, because I've got some cool stuff coming. Big Eyes, big news. Of course, I don't hold any of this coin. I'm neither bullish or bearish on this coin either. This is just an impartial review. I did not get paid to do this video, and neither have I ever considered even reaching out to them to make a video on them. But we can see 6-month roadmap for exchanges and future development now live. The big launch is around the corner. They're going live on the 3rd of June, guys. So basically 4 more weeks to go. There is an article that outlines exactly what they're doing. So they've raised 34.5 million in pre-sale so far. They've already got a top tier 1 centralized exchange. They're thanking the community. The big launching on a top tier centralized exchange is going to be on the 15th of June for this particular coin. So let's just zoom out. Let's just go down. Okay, nice. They've got some accolades. Good actually for transparency. You know, we can see exactly what they've been doing. But keep on going down. Something is itching my nose. We can see 6-month exchange roadmap launching on tier 1 exchange and Uniswap 15th June, then followed by, they've already confirmed Gate, BitGet, BKX, MEXC, LBank, Shitcoin exchange. MEXC also is a shitcoin exchange. We've got CoinX, we've got Bit, we've got Bitmart, Deepcoin, X.com, BitUbi, Hotbit, and Bit4X. That's absolutely crazy. So that's a lot of exchanges. I don't know what the increments will be between each one, but it looks like they'll be staggering the releases. But Gate.io is a big exchange. BKX is pretty nice. BitGet's nice. The others are questionable, in my opinion, in terms of their total volume. But yeah, this is kind of interesting to see. I like the transparency that I'm seeing, but we're looking at the price prediction, right? What could this coin honestly do? I love it. I love the rivalry that you see in the meme coin space. Big Eyes beating the shit out of Love Hate Inu, just like that, because of course Love Hate Inu is the one that I hold tokens of. But yeah, pre-sale ending on the 3rd of June, guys. This is really interesting. What's going to happen next? It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy what could happen. It could be a massive dump, or it could be a sideways trading, or it could be a huge pump. So they have a 300% bonus at the moment, N300. That's kind of crazy. So you're just getting loads of coins. You can mint some NFTs by the look of it. 35 million raised. Stage 13 selling fast. Big Eyes coin certified cute. Okay, Well, I like the website design, that's for sure. Circulate the Q, 80% of 200 billion tokens available at launch, including 5% charity wallet. Here we can see Circulate the Q, liquidity lock for 2 years. We've got Circulate the Q again. What is that? What does that mean? Economics evolve, 80% of coins available to the community on day 1. Cat command and roadmap. Let's have a look at that. So we're seeing stage 1 crouch already complete. Stage 2 is the leap, launch on Uniswap, NFT snippets, 20,000 holders. Then we keep going to the future. Stage 3 is run. We're going to have more holders, more influencer campaigns, more listings, blah, blah, blah. And then NFTs and stuff like that. So it's an interesting one. Don't know why it's taken so long. Now, what you got to remember, guys, the higher the market capital, the less money you can potentially make. If you're looking for 100x out of this coin, not happening. Not happening unless for some reason this project fails, crumbles down to a $500,000 market capital. Then you buy in and it goes from 5 million to 50 million to 500 million, does a 1000x. Very, very unlikely. So this favors the developers having a massive market capital where potentially they're going to make loads of money and the holders might not make that much money. It's hard to say at the moment. Really, it's too early to say as well. Here is their white paper, the team, no actual team. So I don't like that level of anonymous sort of outlook as well. But it is what it is. 200 billion tokens as we see it. They've got ecosystem, plan of action. Well, 200 billion tokens is quite a lot, but not terrible. You know, it's not like shitcoin terrible. There's a few out there, of course, that have trillions of supply, but it gives you that psychological effect of seeing many zeros. So I think it's interesting. You know, we're certainly in a very good place in terms of the market right now. Got to be careful, of course. Got to like make sure you don't risk more than you can afford to lose as well, guys. But big eyes, of course, are very hot right now. Is it worth getting into? I honestly do not know. It all depends on what you value. I'm not really seeing a lot of engagements. You know, for a coin that has raised 35 million, not seeing a lot of engagements. I mean, okay, 8 minutes ago, or 1 hour ago, like 41 likes. Okay, that's a bit better. It's a bit more organic looking. I think some okay impressions too. I mean, gotta remember, guys, most of the Twitter space is just botted the shit out of. There's a lot of botting in Twitter. There's a lot of fake engagements in Twitter. You got to also do these red flag checks, but it seems that they're pretty consistent at getting the same amount of engagements there as well. Interesting to see what this meme coin could do. I invested in AI Doge at the moment, by the way, guys. I don't know if you've heard of this one, but I've got a link down for you below. It's a pre-sale that is just literally launched. I have about 3.7 million tokens. This has 20 pre-sale phases. You can check out this link down below if you wish to. This is another coin that I'm basically betting on to do a decent launch because it ties artificial intelligence in with meme coins and they have 20 pre-sale phases. You can check out the link down below. Remember, none of this video is financial advice. You've got to go do your own research. But I think that this AI Doge token has a lot of potential just looking at recent contenders in the market and especially looking at the artificial intelligence market, which continues to thrive and pump. So a bit of a wrap with the Big Eyes video. I hope this sort of helped you understand. Of course, they're raising a lot of money, but that does also reduce the upside potential, but it might help alleviate volatility. Let's see what happens with Big Eyes, guys. You know, price prediction here, I think, you know, you're looking at roughly a, what to say, I don't want to say and then make people like think it's definitely gonna happen, but 500-800% maximum. Otherwise it's fastest finger first and then just whoever sells the most, and you know, a major sell-off. AI Doge, I'm really looking forward to, and you get to be an early holder of this ecosystem if you're buying today. It's a very early pre-sale phase. Do take a little look at this coin, and if you want to get to my Discord down below as well to unlock some pre-sale insights, analysis, technical trading signals, and much more. We have over 400 paying patrons and over 10,000 members enjoying exclusive benefits in my Discord channel. Just show you, here are the trades chats. Here is an example of how some of these trading signals actually look as well. You know, we've got some in-house technical analysts doing some fantastic things, providing the stop losses, the entry points, and everything else that you need to thrive in the crypto markets. And we also have education to help you surf the crypto markets with confidence. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's probably a wrap for now. Quite a long one. I hope you did enjoy it. Let me know down in the comments if you want any other things that you want me to review or take a look at, get back to you on. If you want to chat, Discord is the best place to do that. Anyways, stay crypto safe. Much love. Bye for now. And yeah, let's see what happens with the rest of the meme coin mania.